There are two different ways you can scan documents on your iPhone. One of those ways is to use the Notes app that's already installed on your phone. So go to Notes, select a folder you want to put the document in, or create one. For testing purposes, I'm going to use the 21st Century Repairs folder. Create the note, and then go to the camera icon at the bottom, then press Scan Documents. Then get the document you want in front of you, ready to be scanned. It will scan it, and it should take the picture automatically. If it doesn't, just press it here. And you can edit it here, make sure it's adjusted to your liking. You can press Retake or Keep Scan. So once you keep it, go down here. So you can edit it here as well, but if you're done with it, just press Done, then press Save. And that's it. That's how you scan documents on an iPhone using the Notes app. The other way you can scan documents on your iPhone is by using the File app on your phone. It should already be installed on your phone, but for whatever reason, if you deleted it, just re-download it on the App Store. So go to Files, and then you want to click on the three dot icon at the top right hand corner, and then press Scan Documents. Then same as before, just line up the document you want to scan, then take the picture once it's ready, make sure you're happy with it, then either retake it, press Done, or you can edit it, crop it, change the colours, just press Done, and that's it. Save. And you can also save it in any folder you want, or iCloud, or on your phone, whatever you prefer. Press Save, and that's it. That's how you scan it using the Files app on your phone.